Welcome to Thrust Flight Denison. Let me show you around. This is our debrief room where you sit down with your instructor to discuss the details of a flight. This is our main classroom where you'll conduct all of your ground courses and also study. As you saw in the beginning, this is our dispatch area where you'll come to sign in for study hall and check in for flights. This is our main hangar where we store our airplanes when they're not being flown by students. This is our coffee station where students can come and get coffee. Then we also have a small area where students can come and eat lunch when they spend their entire day here and study, of course. Due to the growth that we've had in Denison, we recently added a new building that now has 2 brand new classrooms for us to conduct ground school. If you want to see more, you'll have to come take a tour with us here at Thrust Flight in Denison. And we have better planes than this.